On the eve of Makar Sankranti, celebrating Bhugali Bihu every year has a lot of impact on my childhood memories. Starting from grinding soaked rice using mortar and pestle, making different kinds of pithas from different rice flour the whole evening and indulging on these pithas the very next morning is a lifelong memory to carry on with lots of experiments. Hello everyone, this is Madhvi and you are watching Madysnutridelish with Mama's Touch. I just wanted to give a twist to traditional puli pitha to these unique beetroot pithas, which I love to call beetroot Swiss rolls with steamed rice flour wraps, and this creamy doodh golla pitha is extremely delicious. For soft golla pitha, you must take parboiled rice. This rice is slightly yellow in color. Here I have taken 1 cup of grated beetroot, 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 cups of parboiled rice flour or সেদ্ধ চালের গুঁড়ো, half cup of milk powder, 3/4 cup sugar and half liter milk. For all tips and tricks, do watch the full video and do not skip. Take a heavy bottom karai, add in 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once ghee gets slightly heated up, turn off the flame and add in milk powder. Mix it nicely and then turn on the flame. Roast it on low flame for 5 minutes and it is ready. Need to be very cautious so that the milk powder do not get burned. Now let's prepare beetroot stuffings. Into a karai, add in 2 teaspoons of ghee followed by grated beetroot. Give it a good mix and cook it on low flame for 5 minutes. Then adding in grated coconut. Cook it for more 5 minutes on low flame. Adding half cup of water. Add in half of the quantity of sugar. Then I would use the rest of the sugar for doodh golla pitha. Mix it nicely and cook it on medium to low flame till the mixture turns sticky. Now add in cardamom or elaichi powder, which adds a nice flavor, and then add in roasted milk powder. Mix it nicely and cook it for more 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. It is slightly sticky and has crumbly texture. Just look at this. Now take it out of the karai and keep it aside. Into the same karai, add in half liter of milk. Allow it to boil. Now add in 1/3 of the beetroot stuffings. Mix it nicely on medium flame and wait till it comes to a rolling boil. Don't forget to scrape the sides of the karai, which makes the milk much tastier. The milk is ready and keep it aside. Now let's prepare rice flour wraps. Take 2 cups of water for 2 cups of rice flour. Add half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ghee or oil. Once water comes to a rolling boil, add in rice flour little by little and continuously mix it. Now reduce the flame to its lowest and then cover and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. 5 minutes later, let's check. It is nicely cooked. Now turn off the flame. Cover it again and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, take it out of the karai and before it cools down completely, grease your hand with some oil. Knead it into a smooth dough. Now divide it into 2 parts and cover it so that the moisture retains. Now take a rolling pin, grease it nicely. Now for preparing beetroot Swiss roll, take 1 part of the dough. Using a rolling pin, roll it out gently into a round shape wrap. Try to spread it evenly all over. Now add in beetroot mixture or stuffing. Pat it gently with your hand and spread it all over. Now gently roll it with your fingers. At this stage, if you want, you can steam it. Now cut the uneven edges so that it gives nice shape. Further cut it. You can see the rings just looks amazing. Don't you think they look like Swiss rolls? That's why I love to call it beetroot Swiss rolls. My beetroot Swiss rolls are ready. It is easy to make and super delicious. Now take other part of the dough to prepare beetroot balls. Take small balls out of the dough. With the help of your fingers, give it a flattened shape. It looks exactly like a bowl or katori. And now stuff it with beetroot fillings and roll it to give a round shaped ball. Similarly, I make all the golla pithas and you can garnish with some beetroot granules on the top. Now let's prepare doodh golla pitha. Add sugar into the prepared milk along with beetroot golla pitha or beetroot balls one by one. Mix it nicely and cook it for more 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. And my super delicious doodh golla pitha is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And yeah, do not forget to hit the bell icon for new video updates. See you soon with another recipe. Till then, stay fit and stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.